My name is Corey. I'm the parts manager here at Indianapolis Southside Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to go over an instructional video on how to pair your headset to your WHIM enabled motorcycle. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and power up our headset, which is the plus and center button.
Hello.
She'll talk to you. Once she does that, she'll start to flash. Once she flashes, we'll go ahead and go into the home screen on the motorcycle. We'll go to the settings tab, and then we'll drop down to the wireless headset setup. Once we're there, we will enable the rider. We will press on the pair rider button. While it's doing that, we'll go ahead and press and hold the center button for 10 seconds. It'll go through intercom
Pairing.
followed by system configuration.
Configuration menu.
We'll hit the plus.
Phone pairing.
Now it's communicating to the bike. We will press on the boom audio N01 10R.
Boom audio connected. Your headset is paired.
Headset is paired up. And now we have some tunes. Feel free to stop in, check this out. We got this demo bike for the next couple months at least on the floor. We'll go through some more advanced settings if we need to. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.